For those parents who purchase the upgraded version of Math Buddies that contains the assessments or tests, when you log in, you will see the Test tab. Click on the Test tab, which brings you to the assessment or test page. For each topic, there are 3 tests: post-test, pre-test, and a challenge. Please note that the pre-test is a test of prior knowledge, meaning the knowledge your child will need for the upcoming topic. If your child does well on the pre-test, they are ready for that topic. It does not mean that you can skip over a particular topic. A post-test is used after teaching the topic, and a challenge is intended for those students who may benefit from enrichment. If I wanted to see all of a grade's particular tests, I can scroll over to the right-hand side and use the drop-down menu to choose the grade level I'm looking for.